Hi everyone, this is Perlas.
Hey guys, this is Aaron Gonzalez.
You're watching Mix,
The beat of our culture.
Perlas!
Ako po si Marie dito sa vertical series na to. Ako po si Marie, ang maganda, ang determinado, pero takot na takot magtiwala ng kahit kanino.
We have Nico Batayos!
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm 30, the boyfriend number 1, the fake boyfriend ni Marie. Good afternoon.
I'm Aaron Gonzalez, and I play si Marcos.
May isang babae na, syempre si Marie, na nabully noon, tapos magkakaroon sila ng reunion, at doon natin makikita kung ano ba, kaya bang harapin ni Marie yung mga taong nang bully sa kanya noon.
Yes. Actually, yung reunion, it's a school reunion.
Yeah, school reunion.
But essentially, yung genre ng the series, it's a rom-com.
Siyempre, sobrang na-overwhelm, lalo sa akin, kasi ibang platform to eh. Parang ang layo ng platform ko sa pagiging actress, parang sa pagdadrama, sa vertical series. So, nag-adjust ako, pero at the same time, sobrang happy ko kasi nga, gusto ko din tong ginagawa ko.
For me naman, when I was sent the script, I was like, wow, this is something so new. I read the story, I was super excited to start. And obviously, it's a new, bago siyang ano eh, it's a new mode. You know, we're all used to it being on a screen, on, you know, like a cinema or a TV screen, na landscape yung orientation. Pero ngayon, it's portrait because yun na nga yung uso ngayon. And so I thought it was, I don't know, something new. I was excited to start. So honestly, I really thank Cornerstone for this opportunity. Yeah.
Ang character ko dito si Marie. Ako yung determinado na babae, ganyan. Pero sobrang takot na takot magtiwala si Marie ng kahit kanino. Kasi nga, ano eh, natatakot siya na baka, alam mo yun, maulit yung mga nangyari sa kanya nung nakaraan.
Ako naman, yung character ko, I play, his name is Marcos. Ako actually yung boy best friend. Yung best friend ni Marie, ni Perlas. Character ko, well, he's magalang. He's a party animal. So, he's like the life of the party. I'm like, well, panoorin nyo na lang. But I think by this time, you guys would have seen it, so I can say it.
Basta marami siyang plot twist.
Yeah, that's true. Pero yung character ko kasi, parang, I'm like the secret admirer. Yeah, ni Marie.
Oh, feel ko may help ako na itong mag-grow eh. Kasi nakakasama ko yung mga iba't ibang artist din. So, some of them nagbibigay ng advice sa akin. So, feel ko mag-help to na parang hindi lang ako sa comfort zone ko. Siyempre, alam naman ng lahat na nagla-live talaga, ganyan. Bardagulan, talagang literal. So, ngayon na, nila na, lumabas ako sa comfort zone ko. Feel ko mas mag-grow ako. Especially, sobrang love ko yung ginagawa.
For me, yeah, of course. I mean, it's syempre bagong project, diba? Yeah, but I think more than it growing, it becoming something of growth sa career ko. I think also sa personal life ko as well. Kasi, you know, I made, although I'm friends with majority of them, pero may mga bago na I met. And, you know, I made new friends, new experiences, new memories. So pag, you know, I always like yung mga ganun. It's a new challenge din eh, for me. Yung ganitong klaseng series. Because it's very different. So yeah, I mean, generally, I'm super happy about it.
Hindi naman, sobrang, ang gaan lang eh, kasi lahat friend na kami, mag-friend na kami, on and off cam, so, hindi mahirap yung work. Kasi, bigayan ba, kunyari, hindi mo alam, may times pa na parang, nahirapan akong umiyak. Tapos, sila yung mga nag-advise sa likod, sila yung mga boys, parang, kaya mo yung Pearl, ganyan, parang inaano ka nila. So, parang hindi siya.
Yeah, agree ako kay sinabi ni Perlas. Super gaan lang, masaya lang, parang naglalaro lang essentially. But it also helps kasi yun nga, magkakaibigan na kami, magkakilala na kami from other stuff we did in the past. So, tapos yung maganda din sa cast kasi namin, nagtutulungan. So, if ever na somebody has a hard time with this scene, ganyan, we give advice. And alam mo yun, parang we support one another.
Yeah.
So, I think yun yung nag-contribute din sa, I guess, the success ng the final output ng series.
Yun, ang message ko sa kanila, syempre patuloy nyo pa rin akong supportahan. Kasi new journey na to eh. Eto na tayo eh, yung pinapangarap ko eh. Kaya sana supportahan nila tong series namin. Yan, kami. And syempre binigay talaga namin yung best namin para sa kanila din naman. So, yun.
To all my supporters naman, the Aeronauts, Macarons, the Aron Warriors, all of you guys, I love you guys so much. And please guys, please support this series. Syempre, this is something new for us. And hopefully, we'll achieve more stuff together and we'll grow more in the future. So yeah, thank you guys.
Sino nga ba siya? Yun talaga yung coffee date ng YML. Yung kanta nila, yung Baby, kailan ka ba pwede? Gusto kitang i-liver. It's about like, yun, coffee date, pero parang shy type. So.
The Climb by Miley Cyrus. I think that's a good song. Kasi it talks about yung mga challenges that we will face in the future. And sa bawat naman in our life, you'll face different challenges. But, try your best to overcome them. And not only are there challenges, but there are good things then coming your way. So, I guess that. Okay.
Karate Kid.
Okay, Karate Kid. Oh, sabay.
Sabay yun. Movie ba yan? Oo, movie yun. Singaling.
May pressure kasi pag may time. Daisy.
Dua
Lipa. Daisy,
Ginagaya niya lang ako eh.
Sabi ko Daisy's Justin Bieber. Hindi, alam ko. Sarah Labati.
Ann Curtis.
Ay, sayang.
Cebu City. City ba yan yung Cebu? Oh, tama. Beach in the Philippines?
Okay. Siargao.
Zambales.
Sinigang!
Yes! Sinigang.
Banana.
Apple.
Potato.
Cabbage.
Ay, sorry. Cabbage.
Fishball.
Ay, favorite yung kwek-kwek eh.
Pero fishball ang una kapag...
Blue.
Yan yung ano na natin eh.
Dog.
Bagay na hindi mawawala sa pag-uwi.
Wala akong bag.
Candy.
Madaya.
Cellphone.
Too big akin eh.
We? Cellphone na.
Too big.
Pinoy dessert. 1, 2, 3.
Halo-halo.